Alright, one more video, and this is just to kind of show you the system works. This was the build that I lived with for many years, where I would have the single monochrome connector and the on-screen, a little blurry but certainly workable. Back in my days in college, that was certainly important. We can also switch it. Pardon me while I reach around and do a few things. Here we have 40 column mode. I haven't quite located any Commodore 128 specific software. I'm sure it's in the box somewhere. Still need to find it. Then of course there was the all-important fast load cartridge. We take it and bear with me one moment while I install it. I did do some contact cleaning, and let's see what she does. There we go. So there's your Commodore 64 mode. And a bit of a scan line going up and down there. Apologies for that. So, more to come in the future, but just wanted to show you that the system was indeed alive, functional, and maybe in a follow-up we'll throw something on the screen, but I do have to kind of set myself up a little better to do these things. Doing this handheld is a little tricky.